The GH Spoilers recap for Friday, March 25, 2022, features Esme Prince crying more tears that may or may not be fake as she attempted to snow as many Cassadine men as she could. GH Spoilers recap highlights Spencer Cassadine, Nikolas Alexander Chavez, was stunned when Esme, Avery Kristen Pohl, told him her period was 10 days late but she had not yet taken a pregnancy test. She then entered into a histrionic and possibly fake meltdown over how she never cared for a dog, much less a baby. When Spencer demanded she go take the pregnancy test right then and there, she bucked and gave every excuse about why she wouldn't. She also made sure to say "my body, my choice" when Cameron Weber, Will Lipton, arrived so he'd know just what she was talking about when she stormed off with her luggage. Cameron and Spencer then spent some guy time bonding, discussing the sex tape and what Spencer will do if Esme turns out to be pregnant. Jocelyn Jacks, Eden McCoy, and Trina Robinson, Tabayana Ali, also had bonding time and made amends after a few awkward moments. Trina told Jocelyn that she was right all along and Esme was pure evil. That's when Jordan Ashford, Tanisha Harper, walked in to tell Trina she needed to ask her some questions down at the station. Jordan saw the anonymous tip that Esme left and had to do her job whether she liked it or not. General Hospital recap: Esme causes trouble everywhere. Esme was also a big topic of conversation at the Metro Court. Nikolas Cassadine, Marcus Coloma, and Victor Cassadine, Charles Shaughnessy, discussed private business. Ava Jerome Cassadine, Maura West, went to talk to Portia Robinson, Brooke Kerr, and discussed how Trina would be supervising Spencer when he does his community service work at her gallery. Portia told her that wouldn't be happening and suggested she talk to Trina about it. After Victor told Nikolas he wants to re-establish the Cassadines as an international power family but without the world domination part, Esme walked in and cried to Nikolas that the Metro Court rejected her credit card when she tried to get a room. Then, she begged him to let her move into Windermere. GH Spoilers recap: Curtis had a big ask. Curtis Ashford, Donald Turner, asked Sonny Corinthus, Maurice Bennard, if he could try to see what was in Marshall Ashford's, Robert Gossett, sealed arrest record and explain the entire situation to Sonny. To Curtis' surprise, Sonny said he wouldn't do his bidding after remembering when Marshall dropped the bipolar meds in front of him. Sonny also tried to explain to Curtis about his relationship with his own father and how it's best to wait for Marshall to feel ready to tell Curtis the truth. That's when Marshall walked into Charlie's and saw the two men talking. He didn't look happy at all. General Hospital, GH, airs weekdays on ABC. Check your local listings for airtimes. More about what's coming up in Port Charles, check out all the latest that's been posted on GH Spoilers, and for an in-depth look at the show's history, click here. Take our poll ad block test. Why?